Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to use shortcuts for editing text in your Google Excel sheet. If you're interested in the video, please be with us till the end. This is a Google Excel sheet that I've already created so that it's easier for you guys to understand all the edits and shortcuts. First, we'll start with the delete tab. So if you just click on the cell and click backspace, you'll see that the whole data from the cell has been deleted. We press Ctrl plus Z to undo the changes for now, but you just saw that the whole data of the cell was deleted in one tab. But what if you want to delete one letter maybe, or edit that one letter or a word or something? So for that, what we'll do is we'll double click to get inside the cell. And after that, there are some shortcuts that we can use. So let's start with Shift plus arrow. So when you tap on Shift and left arrow, you can see that only the dot has been selected. Now, if you continue tapping on Shift tab and the left arrow on your keyboard, you'll see it exceeds to the leftward side, and likewise you can select each and every letter, word, or digit to delete that specific letter or that specific word, that specific letter or a specific digit. So let's do it again. The cell, after that, in the cell, Shift plus left arrow, one more left arrow, then once again we'll tap the same, and after that we'll click on the backspace. Now you can see only the three words that we selected got deleted. We can apply the same method to the right words. So now we'll click on Shift plus rightward arrow, again on the right arrow, again on it, and backspace. You just saw the selected letters or digits got deleted. So now the other way is we can click on Shift plus Control plus arrow. I clicked on Shift plus Control plus left arrow, and as you can see, the whole word got selected, and after that we can just tap on the backspace. We'll apply the same method on this cell. So for example, if you want to delete the whole word needed, what you'll do is Shift, Control, and left arrow. Make sure that the icon should be just at the end of the word that you want to delete. Shift, Control, and arrow. Shift, Control, arrow. The whole word got selected. You can repeat the same method for the rightward direction. So Shift, Control, right arrow. The whole word got selected, and now you can just click on the backspace and voila, the whole word is deleted in one. Now, for example, let's take another cell, for example this one. Now Shift plus, and you can see the whole cell got selected. Make sure that when you click on Shift plus N, your icon or the cursor should be at the beginning of the whole cell. So now you can tap on Shift plus End. The end key will be at the top bar of your keyboard, and now you can directly click on backspace and the whole thing will be deleted. We can do the same thing forward. So for example, if we have to delete the whole thing, this 1 to 2 mentees, now we'll click on Shift plus Home. As you can see, all the data which is before needed, we can just click on backspace, and all the data which is before needed will be deleted. So Shift plus N and Shift plus Home. These two tabs are specifically if you want to delete the data after to or before needed, okay?
Thank you for being with us till the end. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below to receive all the latest updates. Thank you.